This 2006 Saturn Ion 4-doors Ion 2 4-doors SDN Auto Sedan features a 2.2 LL4 MPI 4-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with an automatic transmission. The vehicle is black with a not specified interior. It is offered as dashes, not covered by a warranty. Dealer inspection. This Saturn is in seats AM/FM. Contact Internet Sales at 908-686-2800 or John at multiautomall.com for more information. www.multichevroletcom 908-686-2800